How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to today's video. We are here at Prairie City in Rancho Cordova, just outside of Sacramento, California. Now, before I get started, I would like to say that I am just 13 subscribers away from doing a JKS rear license plate relocation bracket giveaway. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and head on over to that video. I'll leave a link in the description below and leave a comment on that video. That is how I will be choosing who the winner is. Now, this is a state-run park, so there is everything from something easy to something difficult, so anybody with any skill level can come out and have a good time. This is also where Metal Cloak hosts their annual Skills Day, so that should give you an idea of what there is here. As always, if you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner.
And cowboy boots, been over the table shooting pool. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, as you can see behind me, the trail right here. Last year, Britt Davis got hung up on there, and he got stuck and embarrassed himself for a good, 30 minutes. But yeah, so since then, there's been a lot of trash talking. I didn't attempt it. It looked like it was too easy, and it wasn't my thing, especially when there was a sexier looking trail to the right of it. So I'm gonna go up this trail. I'm gonna put all the trash talking to rest and prove once and for all that JKUs are in fact better than the XJs. Sorry to all the XJ owners out there. I know some of y'all's rigs are built better, but we gotta end the trash talking. This one's for you, Britt. Hope you enjoy.
That's what I'm talking about. We're lit up by the neon bud sign, double fisting shots while we bump and grind. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're shutting this place down. I got my blue jeans with a skull ring, tipping my head to the country queens. Cowboy rebel out on the scene, and things are getting loud. All the guys and girls start to sing along. Everybody let me hear you shout. That's what I'm talking about. With no doubt. Tipping my head to the country queens, cowboy rebel out on the scene, and things are getting loud. Bands playing my favorite song, all the guys and girls start to sing along. Everybody let me hear you shout. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, so we did it up the. It was a pretty easy hill, I think. Made it in two-wheel drive, couple scratches. I believe all you need is a real Jeep and not one of those Hot Wheels XJs. That's what we call an XJ. Any real Jeep can make it. Put it in four-wheel drive, put it in drive, you're good to go. Britt, try harder next time, buddy. It wasn't that hard. See you out there.
That's what I'm talking about. That's right, son.
Your American dream, that's why they private school. A six-figure hobby with a 401k. Paints a pretty scene on the silver screen, but that stuff just ain't for me. My American dream is a bottle of Beam turned up when the sun goes down. Kid Rock and Crow on the stereo, bunch of rowdy friends getting loud. Down by the riverside, girls looking fine in tank tops and cut-off jeans. You can keep your fancy fantasy, and I'll keep living my American dream. Your American dream is clean, cut, and shine. And I got blood and sweat and beer all over mine. You got your future interest stacking up there on Wall Street.
I don't see what the problem is.
So,
I mean, that was just too easy.
so if Britt got a real Jeep, would he be able to do it?
Britt got a, you mean Britt?
Yeah,
If
Britt.
Britt got a real Jeep, yeah, that was nothing really. Nice little guidance from the heavens above, and Matt and the guys from Cliffhanger.
Keep your high society, and I'll keep living my American dream. Club, but if you're down for some old down home, you can always party with us. Our American dream is a bottle of Beam turned up when the sun goes down. Kid Rock and Co on the stereo, bunch of rowdy friends getting loud. Down by the riverside, girls looking fine in tank tops and cut-off jeans. Keep your high society, and I'll keep living my